GeoCall FSM Online Training. GeoCall FSM Overview of Field Service Management Capabilities. GeoCall Field Service Management (FSM) is a comprehensive platform designed to optimize and streamline field service operations, enabling businesses to enhance service delivery, improve efficiency, and deliver better customer experiences. Below is an overview of key capabilities offered by GeoCall FSM. 1. Workforce Management and Scheduling. Real-time scheduling and dispatching. GeoCall FSM provides intelligent scheduling tools that optimize the assignment of field technicians based on proximity, skill sets, and availability. This ensures faster response times and improves operational efficiency. Dynamic scheduling allows for real-time adjustments and rescheduling of appointments, helping businesses adapt to changing priorities or unforeseen circumstances, such as cancellations or urgent service requests. Resource optimization. The platform leverages algorithms to match the right technician with the right job, taking into account factors such as expertise, location, and equipment needed. 2. Mobile Workforce Management. Mobile applications. Technicians in the field can access job details, customer information, and job status updates directly through their mobile devices, ensuring they are always up to date. Offline capabilities. Even in areas with limited or no connectivity, technicians can still update work orders, capture data, and receive job updates once they are back online. Task and time tracking. Technicians can track the time spent on each task, ensuring accurate reporting and accountability. 3. Customer Management and Communication. Customer Profile Management. GeoCall FSM centralizes customer information, providing field agents with a comprehensive view of customer history, preferences, and service needs. Customer notifications and updates. Automated notifications can be sent to customers, keeping them informed about the status of service requests, technician arrival times, and job completion. Self-service portal. Customers can access an online portal to request service, track technicians, view service history, and communicate with the service team, enhancing customer satisfaction. 4. Inventory and Asset Management. Real-time inventory tracking. GeoCall FSM allows businesses to track spare parts and materials in real time, ensuring that technicians have the necessary tools and parts on hand for each job. Asset Management. The platform provides a detailed overview of customer assets, including maintenance schedules, warranties, and repair histories, helping to ensure timely service and reduce downtime. Inventory optimization. Alerts and inventory reports help businesses maintain optimal stock levels, reducing excess inventory and minimizing stockouts. 5. Analytics and Reporting. Real-time reporting. GeoCall FSM offers real-time insights into service operations, enabling businesses to monitor key metrics such as response times, service completion rates, and technician performance. Data-driven decision-making. The platform provides analytics tools to identify trends, uncover operational bottlenecks, and optimize resource allocation for better service delivery. Performance dashboards. Customizable dashboards display critical performance indicators, helping managers track service metrics, technician performance, and customer satisfaction. Optimizing scheduling and dispatching with GeoCall FSM. Optimizing scheduling and dispatching with JioCall FSM, Field Service Management, involves using location-based data and real-time analytics to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of field service operations. JioCall FSM integrates geospatial intelligence into the scheduling and dispatching process, allowing organizations to better manage their field workforce, minimize downtime, and enhance customer satisfaction. Here's how it can be expanded. 1. Real-time location tracking. GPS integration. JioCall FSM utilizes GPS technology to track the real-time location of field technicians. This helps dispatchers identify the closest technician to a service request, optimizing travel time and fuel costs. Dynamic redispatching. If a technician is delayed or a higher priority job arises, the system can automatically reassign tasks based on proximity and technician availability. To optimize routing and scheduling. Route optimization. JioCall FSM uses algorithms to determine the best possible route for technicians, factoring in traffic conditions, road closures, and technician skill sets. This minimizes travel time and ensures timely arrival at service locations. Time windows and SLAs. Scheduling is done with consideration for customer availability, time windows, and service level agreements, SLAs. This reduces the chances of missed or delayed appointments. Job prioritization. Service requests are prioritized based on urgency, location, and technician expertise, ensuring that critical issues are resolved promptly. 3. Skill-based dispatching. Technician skills matching. JioCall FSM considers technician skills and certifications when dispatching jobs. It ensures that the right technician is sent for the right type of job, leading to higher first-time fix rates and improved customer satisfaction. Job complexity and equipment needs. The system also factors in the complexity of the task and the equipment needed, ensuring that dispatches are appropriately matched to technicians with the right tools and expertise. 4. Mobile integration for technicians. Mobile field access. Technicians receive their schedules, service requests, and customer information directly on their mobile devices, allowing for efficient execution of tasks. They can also update job statuses in real time. On-the-go updates. Mobile integration allows technicians to receive real-time updates about changes in their schedule, including new service requests, cancellations, or rerouting instructions. Work order details. Technicians can access full work order details, customer history, and troubleshooting guides, enabling them to complete jobs more efficiently and accurately. 5. Predictive maintenance. Proactive scheduling. JioCall FSM can integrate with IoT sensors and other monitoring systems to predict potential equipment failures. Technicians can be scheduled for preventive maintenance before issues become critical. Automated alerts. Automated alerts and notifications can be sent to technicians when a failure or malfunction is predicted, helping them prepare and ensuring that the issue is resolved quickly. 6. Customer communication and transparency. Real-time updates. Customers can receive updates about technician arrival times, delays, or reschedules. JioCall FSM provides real-time ETAs, reducing customer frustration and increasing transparency. Self-service options. Customers can check their service request status, schedule appointments, or reschedule via a self-service portal, reducing the administrative load for dispatchers. JioCall FSM Real-Time Collaboration Features. JioCall FSM Field Service Management provides real-time collaboration features designed to enhance the efficiency and responsiveness of field service teams. These features typically aim to streamline communication, provide immediate support, and improve coordination across team members, whether they are in the field or in the office. Below are key real-time collaboration features of JioCall FSM. 1. Live chat and messaging. Instant communication. Service teams can communicate instantly with each other or with customers via integrated chat tools. This ensures that issues are addressed promptly and efficiently without delays caused by missed calls or emails. Multi-channel support allows teams to communicate via different platforms, text, chat, voice, video, to suit the nature of the interaction. Real-time notifications. Teams receive instant alerts on service requests, changes, or updates, ensuring immediate responses. 2. Real-time GPS tracking. Field worker location. JioCall FSM allows managers to track the real-time location of field service agents, enabling more effective dispatching, dynamic routing, and ensuring they are dispatched to the most urgent tasks first. Optimized routing. Using live traffic and location data, FSM can suggest the fastest routes to field agents, minimizing travel time and improving service delivery. 3. Video support and remote assistance. Visual collaboration. Technicians in the field can use video calls to connect with back-office support teams or experts who can provide real-time guidance or troubleshooting assistance. Augmented reality (AR) support. Some JioCall FSM solutions leverage AR to overlay helpful instructions or visual guides onto the technician's view, facilitating faster resolution of complex issues without needing to escalate or dispatch another technician. 4. Real-time collaboration tools for dispatchers. Dynamic scheduling and rescheduling. Dispatchers can monitor job progress in real time and adjust schedules dynamically to accommodate delays or new urgent tasks. Service request updates. Dispatchers can immediately communicate with field agents about changes in priority or new customer requests. 5. Integrated collaboration with CRM and ERP. Unified data access. Technicians and managers can access customer history, service records, and product information in real time, enhancing their ability to make informed decisions during service calls. Collaborative problem solving. Support teams can share insights, documents, and data across systems, allowing seamless collaboration without silos. 6. Collaborative knowledge sharing. Knowledge base access. Real-time access to a shared knowledge repository where field agents can find troubleshooting tips, product manuals, or FAQs. Peer collaboration. Agents can collaborate with each other using shared workspaces, helping to solve complex issues or share best practices. 7. Mobile app collaboration. Mobile-first solutions. Many JioCall FSM solutions offer mobile apps for technicians, enabling on-the-go access to job details, customer information, and collaboration tools. Enhancing mobile workforce efficiency with JioCall FSM. Enhancing mobile workforce efficiency with JioCall Field Service Management (FSM) involves leveraging real-time location-based technologies and advanced FSM features to streamline field operations, improve service delivery, and optimize resource management. Here's an expanded look at how this can be achieved. 1. Real-time location tracking. JioCall FSM integrates GPS tracking to provide real-time updates on field service personnel's location. This enables optimized dispatching. Field agents can be assigned jobs based on their proximity to the service location, minimizing travel time and improving response times. Route optimization. The system can suggest the most efficient routes, saving fuel and time, ensuring timely service delivery. Enhanced customer experience. Real-time updates can be shared with customers, offering accurate ETAs and increasing satisfaction. 2. Mobile workforce management. Field agents equipped with mobile devices can access all job-related information via a central platform, which includes task assignments. Technicians receive updated work orders, task details, and instructions directly on their mobile devices, reducing paperwork and manual communication. Real-time data capture. Agents can input data, including service reports, signatures, and photos, directly into the system during or after a service call, ensuring accurate records and faster reporting. Inventory management. Field workers can access parts inventory and even perform real-time stock updates, reducing downtime caused by unavailable materials. 3. Automated scheduling and dispatching. By using real-time location data, JioCall FSM can automate the scheduling of field technicians based on location, skill set, and job priority, enhancing resource allocation, ensuring the right technician with the right skills is sent to the right job at the right time. Increased first-time fix rates. Technicians equipped with the right tools, information, and parts are more likely to resolve issues on their first visit. Reduced response times. Jobs are assigned to the closest available technician, reducing wait times for customers and enhancing service efficiency. 4. Performance monitoring and analytics. JioCall FSM allows managers to monitor field agent performance in real time using geolocation data and KPIs, which can be used for data-driven decision-making. Managers can track service metrics like travel time, job completion times, and service quality, and optimize the scheduling of future jobs. Workforce productivity. With location and task data, managers can assess technician productivity and identify areas for improvement or additional training. Predictive maintenance. The system can gather data over time to predict maintenance needs, enabling proactive service scheduling and reducing emergency repairs. 5. Mobile communication and collaboration. Real-time communication capabilities embedded in JioCall FSM ensure that field technicians can collaborate seamlessly with back-office staff or other team members, including instant messaging. Technicians can easily communicate with supervisors or colleagues in case they need assistance or additional information while on-site. Access to knowledge base. Field agents can access troubleshooting guides, manuals, and training materials directly from their mobile devices, reducing resolution time for complex issues. JioCall FSM GPS integration for improved service delivery. JioCall FSM GPS integration for improved service delivery. Integrating GPS, Global Positioning System, technology with Field Service Management, FSM, solutions like JioCall can significantly enhance service delivery in several ways. By leveraging GPS, businesses can streamline operations, reduce costs, and provide a better customer experience. Here's how GPS integration can improve service delivery in FSM. 1. Real-time location tracking. Field technician location. GPS enables real-time tracking of field technicians, ensuring that dispatch teams know the exact location of each technician. This allows for optimized routing, efficient job allocation, and accurate ETAs for customers. Emergency response. In situations where urgent service is required, GPS helps identify the nearest technician, reducing response times and improving customer satisfaction. To optimized scheduling and routing. Dynamic route planning. GPS data can be used to optimize the routes taken by field technicians, avoiding traffic and delays. This reduces travel time, fuel consumption, and overall operational costs. Automated dispatch. Based on GPS data, FSM systems can automatically assign tasks to the most suitable technician available, considering proximity and workload. 3. Enhanced customer communication. Accurate ETAs. GPS integration allows service teams to provide accurate, real-time updates to customers on the expected arrival times of technicians. This reduces customer frustration and increases trust. Notifications and alerts. Customers can receive proactive notifications about technician arrival times, delays, and job status, keeping them informed throughout the service process. 4. Improved service accountability. Proof of service. With GPS tracking, FSM systems can log the exact time and location of service visits. This serves as proof of service, which is useful for verifying that service commitments were met. Time and location logging. This data can be used to assess technician performance, verify service durations, and identify potential issues in the service process. 5. Compliance and documentation. Regulatory compliance. In some industries, there are strict regulations regarding service delivery, including timeframes and location reporting. GPS tracking ensures compliance by providing accurate records of where and when services were performed. Documentation for reporting. GPS integration enables easy generation of reports that include technician location, work duration, and task completion, which can be useful for internal audits and reporting. 6. Increased technician productivity. Reduced idle time. GPS ensures technicians are dispatched to jobs efficiently, minimizing downtime between tasks and keeping them engaged and productive. Task completion tracking. FSM systems with GPS can track technician progress in real time, allowing managers to oversee performance, allocate additional resources if necessary, and ensure that jobs are completed on time. 7. Customer satisfaction and retention. Faster response times. GPS-enabled FSM systems help ensure faster and more efficient service, which directly contributes to higher customer satisfaction. JioCall FSM, customizing service workflows for better operations. JioCall FSM, Field Service Management, is a solution designed to streamline and optimize the delivery of services in the field, typically for industries that rely on mobile technicians or service teams, such as telecommunications, utilities, and maintenance services. One of the key benefits of JioCall FSM is its ability to customize service workflows, which can significantly enhance operational efficiency and improve customer satisfaction. 1. Understanding service workflows in FSM. Service workflows in FSM define the sequence of activities or tasks that need to be performed to complete a service request. These workflows often involve a series of stages, including service request, capturing the initial request from the customer, whether it's a maintenance request, an installation, or a repair. Work order creation, creating a work order that includes details of the required service, the customer's location, and relevant resources, example, tools, parts, or personnel. Dispatch, assigning the task to a technician based on availability, skill set, and proximity. Service execution, the technician completes the service task, including all necessary steps and troubleshooting. Completion and reporting, the service is completed and a report is generated, often including updates to the customer's system and follow-up actions. Each stage can be customized to meet specific business needs and optimize service delivery. 2. Benefits of customizing service workflows. By customizing workflows in JioCall FSM, businesses can achieve several operational improvements. Improved efficiency. Tailored workflows can automate routine tasks, reduce manual effort, and ensure that service processes are streamlined. For example, workflows can be adjusted to include automatic parts inventory checks or dynamic scheduling based on technician availability. Better resource allocation. By customizing dispatch logic, businesses can ensure that the right technician is sent to the right job based on their skills, experience, and proximity. This reduces downtime and increases first-time fix rates. Enhanced customer satisfaction. A well-designed workflow can ensure that technicians arrive on time, are properly equipped, and follow a structured troubleshooting process. Customers appreciate faster resolution and better communication. Compliance and reporting. Customized workflows can ensure that all service processes meet industry regulations or internal standards, with built-in reminders or approvals where necessary. This also enhances reporting capabilities, with workflows designed to capture all relevant service data. 3 key elements in customizing service workflows. Dynamic dispatching. Custom workflows can be designed to dynamically allocate resources based on real-time factors such as technician location, skill set, and traffic conditions. This reduces delays and ensures that the most qualified technician is assigned to the job. Mobile integration. Service technicians can access the customized workflows via mobile devices, allowing them to follow step-by-step instructions, update the status of tasks, and report on job completion in real time. This improves communication between the technician and the back office. Automated task assignment. Tasks within the workflow can be automatically assigned based on predefined rules, such as job priority, customer SLA, service level agreement, or technician availability. This minimizes human error and accelerates the process. Customer communication. Custom workflows can include automated updates to customers about job status, technician arrival time, and follow-up actions. This improves customer engagement and satisfaction. 4. Integration with other systems. Customizing workflows in JioCall FSM can also involve integrating with other enterprise systems such as CRM systems for customer data and service history, enabling more personalized service and faster issue resolution. ERP systems for inventory management, ensuring that technicians have the necessary parts before heading to the field. JioCall FSM, tracking and monitoring service performance. JioCall FSM, field service management, enables businesses to track and monitor service performance with a focus on optimizing operational efficiency and delivering high-quality customer service. The key aspects of tracking and monitoring service performance in a JioCall FSM system include 1. Real-time location tracking. GPS integration. JioCall FSM uses GPS technology to track the real-time location of field service technicians, allowing dispatchers and managers to optimize service schedules based on proximity, location, and traffic conditions. Routing optimization. The system can provide optimized routes for technicians, reducing delays and travel time, ensuring faster response times and improved service delivery. 2. Performance metrics and KPIs. Service completion time. JioCall FSM tracks the time it takes to complete service tasks, providing insights into technician efficiency and enabling businesses to set realistic service level expectations. First-time fix rate. This key performance indicator, KPI, measures the percentage of issues resolved on the first visit, which is critical for customer satisfaction and service efficiency. Customer satisfaction. CSAT. The system can integrate with feedback systems, tracking customer satisfaction levels after each service interaction. Monitoring CSAT scores helps identify areas for improvement and recognize top-performing technicians. Service quality. Field technicians' work is monitored through service reports and customer feedback, enabling continuous improvement and maintaining high service standards. 3. Job status and task monitoring. Job progress updates. Real-time updates on job status, example in progress, completed, on hold, help managers and customers stay informed about the service process. Task allocation and prioritization. JioCall FSM allows managers to allocate tasks dynamically and prioritize urgent requests, ensuring that critical service calls are addressed promptly. 4. Technician performance tracking. Workload monitoring. The system tracks the number of jobs assigned to each technician and monitors how efficiently they complete their tasks, helping to balance workloads and avoid burnout. Skill assessment. By tracking job completion data, the system can identify areas where technicians may need additional training, ensuring that they have the right skills to resolve issues efficiently. 5. Mobile access for technicians. Job details and history. Technicians have mobile access to service details, customer history, and job instructions. This helps them deliver more effective service by being fully informed about the task before arriving on site. Digital checklists and reports. Technicians can fill out digital forms and submit reports directly from their mobile devices, ensuring timely updates and minimizing paperwork. 6. Proactive maintenance and issue prediction. Predictive analytics. GeoCall FSM can use historical service data to predict potential service issues and suggest preventive measures, reducing the need for reactive repairs. Why choose ProExcellency for GeoCall FSM online training? Choosing ProExcellency for GeoCall FSM Field Service Management online training offers several advantages. Expert trainers. ProExcellency typically provides highly qualified trainers with practical experience in GeoCall FSM, ensuring you learn from industry professionals. Comprehensive curriculum. The training is structured to cover all key aspects of GeoCall FSM, from basic features to advanced functionalities, providing you with a thorough understanding of the platform. Interactive learning. ProExcellency's online training programs often feature interactive sessions, hands-on labs, and real-world case studies, making the learning process more engaging and practical. Flexible learning. Online training offers flexibility to learn at your own pace and according to your schedule, making it ideal for professionals with busy workloads. Post-training support. Many online training programs from ProExcellency provide post-training support, helping you resolve doubts and implement what you have learned effectively. Industry-relevant skills. The focus is on imparting skills that are directly applicable to real-world FSM operations, enhancing your ability to improve service management processes. Certification. Upon completion of the training, you may receive certification that can enhance your professional profile and open up new career opportunities. Affordable and accessible. Online training is often more cost-effective compared to traditional classroom sessions and can be accessed from anywhere in the world. Thank you.